What's up, guys? In this video I just wanted to show an essential camping need. This is the Blackstone Briefcase. You can put it on any surface. This is just on the picnic table at the campsite. And this morning we are cooking some pork sausage and some eggs. This particular Blackstone has a non-stick surface on it, so it makes it perfect for quick and easy breakfast in the morning while you're camping. It has plenty of space, so you can cook multiple things. I have mine set on low. The surface does get pretty hot. Here is kind of a walk around showing the footprint of this. And then back here it has a little drip tray for grease that you can pull out and clean at the end of each meal. Then you have your little small propane connector there. And when you're all done, this closes down and you can literally carry it like a briefcase. It's pretty cool.